think I ripped it a bit, but it doesn't matter. I look extremely tired now. It's because I had night shifts last night again. Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nivi, and if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe to my channel and stick around. Anyways, today is Friday the 22nd of December, and I just realized that we're going to our family's place this weekend for Christmas, Saturday, which is tomorrow. So, and I have, like you've seen, we've wrapped presents and everything that we want to take there, but like I also wanted to do a bit of baking. I wanted to make like rock buns, because that's something that we used to make when we were younger. We used to make rock buns for Christmas, and we used to bake cakes. So I wanted to make rock buns and banana muffins to take to their house, but I don't know how I'll be able to do it today. It's already getting dark, and I wanted to vlog as well. So yeah, I'll do that now and store them in the fridge. I think they'll still be good by tomorrow. It's not as if I'm going to keep them till Christmas. I just, wanted to make something and take it to their house. Anyways, I have a night shift today again, and we have to pack. There's a lot of things I have to do, but I'll be so tired. I haven't had enough sleep yet. So I think I'll start with packing or something. We still have to do laundry. We still have to do a lot of things. So I'm going to get to that. I'm not sure if I'll vlog because I've been struggling with storage on my phone, but I'll vlog what I can, and yeah, you know the drill. Let's get to baking, I guess. Hi you guys, so I just finished making the first batch of rock buns, but I'll have to make more when I come back from work. So I'll do the banana bread and the rock buns in the morning before we go to Derby. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Hi you guys, so I'm back from work and I finished making the muffins and this is what they look like. So like they're all done. I just brought them out of the oven and they're supposed to be banana walnut muffins. I saw a recipe on YouTube and I decided to try it out. I really hope it tastes nice. I had to get another muffin tray. This one I had to get from B&M because you know the one I got off Temu. I'm coming, let me turn this camera around. So as I was saying, the muffin tray I got off Temu was giving my muffins a kind of like silicone chemical taste. Let me show you. I don't know if you remember from the last vlog. These ones I ordered from Temu. So they were giving the cupcakes like one kind of chemical, one irritating taste like that. So I went on Temu to get a refund and they gave me my money back, but they said I should keep the tray. I don't know if I'm going to use it again. I doubt I'm going to use this thing again, so I'm just going to toss it somewhere. I don't think I'm using it again, never again. Let me know if any of you have like used silicone baking items and if they've worked out for you, because I might be doing something wrong that I don't know about it. The only good thing I liked about them is like how easy it is to get the cupcakes out of the mold. You just, you know, pop it from under and it comes out. So I want to hurry up and make some more rock buns because the ones I made, I do not feel they are enough. So I want to quickly prepare another batch and like let them cool down so I can do other things. I have still not packed yet and I don't know what time I'll leave you. It's currently like 8:21 a.m. so I want to see what I can do. Keep in mind, I've not slept after a long night shift, 10 to 6 a.m. It is well. I can do this. Like nobody is forcing me to do any of this. I just want to do this because like I don't know, I really like baking like as a hobby. I'm not really good at it. I like looking up recipes online then trying to recreate them. So I really hope they taste nice and I hope they don't give anybody diarrhea because that'd be so embarrassing. I'm going to whip up another batch of rock buns then try to get ready to go to Derby. guys, I'm finally done. I've put all the rock bones inside cookie bags, or is it biscuit bags? I can't remember the name, but if you remember from my last vlog, I also got these from Timu. So let me just show you how far I've gone. I'm so proud of myself right now. I have like 10 bags here. Ignore the background. I have like 10 bags here. I started with 5 in one, but I just ended up putting 4 in one. But they are so cute. I love the way they look. Like, I might end up getting more of these bags if like I ever needed to do party favors. Can snacks be used as party favors? Yeah, sure, but it's really cute. I like the way it looks, and it's handmade by me. I'm going to pack it up now and get ready to leave the house in a bit. Come on, take.